Hello!
Welcome back, everyone.
Welcome back to Construction Lost.
This is DIY SOS.
Welcome back to get fucking a new house that doesn't need construction on it.
But could do with some spotlights in the kitchen.
Yes, so we're going to drill while there's a recording session going on.
Because that's how we roll around here.
How inconsiderate. Right, we're sort of... Oh, my feet are in the way. We're sort of learning what to do still.
It's an ongoing process.
Yeah, it's an ongoing thing. Oh look, vines. Vines.
Ah, you might want to take him down first.
Oh, fuck.
Right, he's gonna get you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Fuck you. Got it.
Yeah, nice one, brother.
Let's go. Bum bum. Oh ha. Yay, love me. Love me like you do. La la, love me like you do. I love it. The capture right now is delayed. It's now on the part that I couldn't get past. And it's nice to see that again.
Yeah, to know that we've come a long way.
We have come a long way. Right, let's ping this.
I tried to play Zelda. I think it's Breath of the Wild.
Yeah, with the new one on the Switch. Yeah.
I played that and I got to a level and I just couldn't get any further.
Really?
So it's a good job we weren't doing it for that.
Everyone loves that fucking game.
It's
man.
cool. The graphics are cool.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a really good game.
It's pretty dope.
Love it. I do want to play it, but I really want to Switch. Honestly, I love the Switch. The amount I've played on the Switch on other people's, I just love that fucking console. I think it's such a good idea. Oh, there's a chest there the whole time.
Yeah, the Switch looks cool as fuck.
Yeah, it's such a smart idea. It's got a screen in it. It's basically like a DS mixed with a home console, which is what everyone's wanted for years.
Yeah.
It's great. You can't.
The fact that it's a touchscreen is just so sick.
Is it touchscreen as well?
Yeah.
Like the Wii U? It's a mixture of everything cool. Everything cool that Nintendo's ever done.
Is it touchscreen?
I don't know.
Can't remember, to be honest.
I have no idea.
But it's just a really nice size.
Yeah, I mean the controllers are very small.
Yeah, that's
especially when you split them up, you know.
Yeah, easy to lose one.
Yeah, easy to break, and my big hands don't really work well with them.
Not in prime conditions for your hands.
No, I wouldn't say so.
Okay. Right, where are we gonna go now?
I'm gonna check if it's.
Hey.
Ah, look.
Got some treasure.
More treasure. Treasure trove.
And then we can get the goose to get us the fuck out of here.
Yeah. I don't think I haven't got any oil left in my lantern, so I'm just walking blind. Okay. You calm down. Get back up. Thank you.
Not ideal.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Nice to meet you guys.
Thanks. Okay. Oh yeah, we never actually got through it. And I've got the boomerang.
What's the boomerang gonna do? Ah! So you think you gotta stand a bit further back, mate?
I just cut the rope at the bridge.
That's not good.
That's not good at all.
That's not good.
How am I supposed to do this?
Yeah, this doesn't make much sense. Piss off.
What do you want? Okay.
Something funny.
A door that opens with a windmill. What are they trying to hide? A sophisticated interaction. Do you think opening something like this and turning those? Well, that was the plan. That's what. Were you not watching me? I was trying.
Yeah. Ah, babe.
Alright, let's get back up. How?
There's got to be vines kicking about somewhere, surely. Or we just swim around here forever.
We just swim till we run out of
abyss.
oxygen, energy and then die.
Yep.
That's the plan. Right. Oh, go up.
Boom,
shimmy
boom,
and shimmy.
Boom, boom. Fantastically supple legs, has to say. Has to be said.
Yeah. Gotta give it. Oh,
this is a little bit ropey.
It's cool that they do that though.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Until you can't get across.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, target acquired.
I remember it said you can do up to 5. I just couldn't work out how.
Fantastic work. Right, now we go. What?
Well, it didn't work.
How did that not work?
We're doing it again.
What's going on here? Maybe that order is wrong?
Yeah, maybe. Hello?
Is there a 5th one somewhere we're missing?
There might be. Is there a special order for this?
Is there one at the top? Or one inside or something?
Is there one in there? Can you see one?
No. Oh, the torches maybe? Yeah.
Oh! Have you got to do the...
What on earth? That's 4.
No. Oh my god, there's such a loud fucking noise as well. This is not good. Sorry, everyone.
Okay.
What is happening?
You just put them anywhere.
Yeah, looks like you can. That's not good. Oh, did I knock the totem pole down? I did, I knocked the pole down. Whoops.
How's that bridge still up? That one.
Oh, maybe the red means it actually hits the thing, so I've got to just be more accurate with one. Oh, wait! The Z! That one, that one, that one, that one.
Ah!
God.
Yeah, that
It's
makes
so
sense.
loud, I can't apologise enough. Oh my god, we're gonna have to stop recording today after this one, I think.
Yeah. Is that the right order?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I'm not sure. Okay.
Yay.
Smashed it, bro. Smashed it.
We've got big brains, and you
Good
know
work.
it. Yeah, this is not fucking... I wonder
Not
what this
ideal
sounds like on
conditions.
the capture.
Yeah, probably not
Probably
great.
awful.
We'll just do it back after.
Yeah.
You got the big key.
Used to gain access to the lair.
Of the dungeon's
Where's the
boss.
dungeon's boss?
Oh, there's a boss.
Fuck's sake, there's more?
Might be in the next room here on the left.
Oh, maybe. Let's go.
Find out after the break. Ah, this looks like a boss kind of place. This does.
me.
Nice. Don't need them anyway, really.
Fuck them monkeys.
Oh,
baby, that you gone.
where's this chest then? Is it down or up?
Let's just have a look. I have no idea. I have no idea. Rah! Get down. But it looks like...
This-
That was still wobbling for ages. Alright.
Keep following it. Keep following where the chest is, and then just put yourself where the chest is.
Well, it's over here.
Yeah, there's got to be somewhere here then. There it is.
This is literally
Yeah.
there. Okay.
Needs to be some rupees.
Oh, for fuck's
There we
sake,
go.
what a waste of time.
Okay,
Now,
let's
where's
find
the
us big.
dungeon boss thing? Boss
Do you
dungeon.
reckon it's gonna be a monkey?
I have a feeling it might be. Just a hunch. Yeah. 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 What's up here? Nothing, because there's no chest. I'm not even going to bother because it's not on the map.
Right.
Let's go.
What if we've actually been working for the bad monkeys the whole time?
Maybe we have.
And they're actually the mafia of the monkey world.
Maybe that's exactly what's happening.
Check your map and then you can probably find out where the chests are.
Oh yeah, there's a big...
Oh, that looks like the boss
there's
one,
a
yep.
red boss.
Alright, let's get it.
Hello, monkey. Oh, he's walking me there.
What a big don.
Oh, what a boy. What a boy. Water boy.
He's got a cake.
Right. We have been in here before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we couldn't turn that, but now we can. Oh my god!
Hello there. Good afternoon.
Bloody hell!
Right, now turn it again.
Who's that? Oh, look at him.
He's
Do I want to
friendly.
go up here first? Yeah, he's calling me. Let's go.
Alright. I thought that red thing looks interesting.
Yeah, I do want to see it, but he's also calling me this. Oh, red or purple?
Red or purple?
Yeah, there's a purple dot. Did you see him?
Ah. This is the monkey mafia.
Yeah. Oh, we need 3 more. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need 3. I guess in order for us to check the temple out completely, we need to help the monkeys. Ah, well, help the rest of them. So we
Oh,
need to.
sweet.
We can't do anything until we get all the monkeys.
My days.
So this was just showing us that we need more monkeys.
Yeah,
Thing that we already knew. I reckon that red one's a monkey. You know.
could well be.
Let's go and help him then. Yeah, let's go again. Blow this baby.
And turn. Nice one.
Oh,
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 oh. Alright.
oh no. You don't stand a chance. Yeah, too
Nice
right.
try, mate. Nice try.
And
We're gonna get a bit of practice on the fence first.
I was just testing out my sword.
Just sharpening the sword a little bit. There we go. Waiting to get back up, and boom. You have to see it.
Lovely.
Now let's go save that red dot.
Let's save that red dot. Oh.
Autism.
Bye.